Bake a moist sour cream coffee cake like a pro with this easy recipe. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a delicious sour cream coffee cake that is perfect for any occasion. This recipe is easy to follow and will have your taste buds dancing with every bite. So, let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9-inch cake pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a large bowl, cream the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Mix in the sour cream and vanilla extract until well combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring until just combined. In a small bowl, mix together the chopped walnuts, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Pour half of the batter into the prepared pan, then sprinkle half of the nut mixture on top. Repeat with the remaining batter and nut mixture. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool for 10 minutes before removing it from the pan and transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, a delicious sour cream coffee cake that is sure to impress your family and friends. This cake is perfect for brunch, dessert, or just as a sweet treat with your morning coffee. So, give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Also, if you have any suggestions for future recipes, let me know in the comments. And as always, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.